Skipper Jan Rebek.
And who do the sailors fear so much?
Skipper Jan Rebek.
And is he
Ya, leave your hammock. Ya, hands on deck. Ya, break your back for Skipper Jan Rebek.
And when he got a boat of his own,
Skipper Jan Rebek.
it was brute force kept him on the throne.
Skipper Jan Rebek.
And is he
Ya, leave your hammock. Ya, hands on deck. Ya, break your back for Skipper Jan Rebek.
And who can drink his weight in beer?
Skipper Jan Rebek.
And only takes 2 baths a year.
Skipper Jan Rebek.
And is he
Ya, leave your hammock. Ya, hands on deck. Ya, break your back for Skipper Jan Rebek.
who sleeps with 4 girls every night?
Skipper Jan Rebek.
One black, one pink, one yellow, one white.
Skipper Jan Rebek.
And it's
Ya, leave your hammock. Ya, hands on deck. Ya, break your back for Skipper Jan Rebek.
And who's the king of the fighting done?
Skipper Jan Rebek.
And who do the sailors fear so much?
Skipper Jan Rebek.
And it's
Ya, leave your hammock. Ya, hands on deck. Ya, break your back for Skipper Jan Rebek.
From above in the harbour, he came rowing on shore and stepped into a pub I'd been off times before. And as I was sitting enjoying my ale, he sat down, gave me that smile. He sat down beside me and I squeezed his hand. I said, "Sir, you're a stranger, not long to this land. Will you roam, jolly sailor, will you roam along with me? Just some lonesome place where nobody can see. Don't leave me, jolly sailor," were the words I did cry, waiting and weeping and wiping my eye. And when you return to your own Newfoundland, remember the young Spaniard who kept squeezing your hand. He quickly consented with me to go and live by myself in a neat little home. I was plump, I was jolly, my age scarce 19, and the name that I went by was Spanish Irene. Then one day in the harbour his ship had set sail, so down to the seashore I quickly did trail, waving my handkerchief and wiping my eye. Don't leave me, jolly sailor, were the words I did cry. Don't leave me, jolly sailor, were the words I did cry, waving and weeping and wiping my eye. And when you return to your own Newfoundland, remember the young Spaniard who kept squeezing your hand. So I'll give you farewell, love, on a warm summer's breeze. And love, don't forget me as you're crossing the seas. And when you are married and enjoying your bride, remember the young Spaniard who lay down by your side. Remember the young Spaniard who lay down by your side.